unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Immediately power off the phone if not already off. Remove the SIM card and any other peripherals. Gently dry the phone with a soft cloth. Use silica gel packets or place the phone in a bag of uncooked rice for 48 hours to absorb moisture. Avoid using a hairdryer as it can push water further inside. After 48 hours, reassemble and attempt to power on. If the problem persists, seek professional repair services.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.